Ngayon, anong pwedeng gawin ng mga members natin? Kasi nabanggit mo nung isang araw yung rug pull. Actually, rug pull, wala nang problema yan eh. Unang-una, hindi lang ang dev ang pwedeng mag-rug pull. Okay? Yung mga taong nakasnipe, sniping is yung tinatawag natin na yun yung mga nakabili ng coin nung mababa pa siya. Ano yan? Right now, meron tayong mga konting sniper. Sino yung mga sniper na yon? Kung nakita nyo, nung tumaas, nung nag-skyrocket, nung nag-all-time high tayo, merong isang member natin, which is fine, that's just part of the growth process. Meron tayong isang member na nagbenta dun sa all-time high natin. Ano? So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang po dev ang pwedeng mag-cost sa market. Kasi unless yung dev nyo ay bilyonaryo, samantalang hindi naman tayo bilyonaryo. Baka itong si Boss Rodel, bilyonaryo, ano? Na madaming pondo na kaya niyang i-manipulate yung market. Ngayon, kaya ba nating i-manipulate yung current presyo ng piso? Yes. The devs can manipulate the price of piso. I will not hide it. We will be very transparent about it. But the question is, this is our project, right? This is our project with a patriotic message, which is to plant the flag of the Philippine in the blockchain. We've done that already, but we want it to become strong, right? So, do you think, as your devs, do you think we will liquidate our coins? On a personal note, and you can take my word for it, or you can say, "Oh, who are you? Hindi naman kita kilala. Why will I trust you?" I personally, will not do anything that will cause the price of of piso to go down. Kasi yung target natin dito is to maipakalat si piso, make it as trustworthy cryptocurrency. Now, lagi kong sinasabi, piso is not an investment. You will buy piso, you will support piso not because you want to get rich. You will buy and support piso because you want to promote the national identity of the Philippines. Yung colors natin, yung banners natin, give, acknowledge yung mga modern heroes natin. That's my stance about it. So, hindi lang po ang dev ang pwedeng mag-rug pull. Ngayon, how can you prevent rug pull? To prevent rug pull, dapat bumili ka ng piso. Diba? Pumili ka ng piso, gumawa ka ng sarili mong liquidity pool. Kasi, sino ba yung mga nagra-rug pull? Yung mga nagra-rug pull is yung may hawak ng liquidity pool. Diba? So, napakasimple, lalo na ngayon. Napakadali na maging dev. Kahit sino. Right now, pwedeng maging dev. Kapag bumili ka ng $1,500 na piso, kapag bumili ka ng $1,500 na Solana, pwede kang gumawa ng sarili mong liquidity pool. At from there, you will earn both Solana and piso. Okay? And kapag nagawa mo yon, kapag bumili ka ng 1,500 at saka 1,500 na Solana, you can consider yourself as a dev. Bakit? Because you have enough of the piso coin to create your own, I don't know, you can create your own social media, you can create your own dating site, you can create your own shopping cart that uses piso as the currency. Okay? So,
Okay,
yung po, yung
may
pwede
reaction
ninyong
ako
gawin.
dyan. May reaction ako. Hindi ko alam kasi actually, Sepo din lang naman natututunan nito at hindi ako kabilang sa ibang mga GC. Baka ito hindi dinidiscuss sa mga Pilipino na na crypto project
Hindi,
members.
because they don't know it.
Oo.
They either don't know it, or they do not want you to, they do not want to educate you.
Hindi pinapaalam sa mga members na yung konsepto ng rug pull is like this. Na pwede din naman silang yung lahat ng mga members have more skin on the game by adding liquidity of their own, di ba?